Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Kraken account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Kraken account's password, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in kraken.com and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your Kraken's account and you'll end up in the home page of Kraken. Now tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on Account option. On the Security section, tap on Password. Enter your current password, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Save. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change your Kraken account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.